Day 18 of my LA bucket list, where I pull a card to get out of the house and hopefully meet my wife. Malibu. We're going back to the boo. Explore the sea caves at El Matador Beach. I haven't been to El Matador in a while. Visit at sunset for an even more beautiful experience. Whoever made these cards did not take in LA traffic into account. Sunset, it'll take me 30 hours to get back to West Hollywood. But, yeah, let's go. Why do I do the thumbs up every time? That's cool. Now I'm just gonna hang out here for the rest of the day, read, hang out. This really is shaping up to be the best summer ever. Have you been here? Drop your comments or something.